In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect MetaTrader 5 with Vantage. Start by opening your browser and going to the Vantage website. Once you're inside the portal, locate the section labeled Accounts and click on it to view your existing trading accounts. Next, select Open Account. This will reveal additional account options. From the available choices, select Demo Account. After that, click Open Account to begin setting up your new demo account. On the Account Setup page, you'll be asked to choose a trading platform. Make sure you select MetaTrader 5. Confirm that you're creating a demo account, then continue to the account settings. Choose the account type you want to use, such as standard or raw spread, depending on the options available to you. Next, select your account currency. In this example, choose USD so your balance and profit or loss will be displayed in US dollars. After selecting the currency, choose the leverage you want to use. Once you've made your selection, continue to the Account Balance section. Click on the Account Balance field and select the amount of virtual funds you want to practice with. Choose a balance. When you've finished reviewing your settings, click Submit to create the demo account. Vantage will then send you an email containing your MetaTrader 5 login credentials. Open the email and locate the server name, login number, and password. Now switch to your MetaTrader 5 application. At the top left of the platform, click File. Then select Open an Account.Search. Continue following the on-screen prompts. When you're asked how you want to connect, choose Existing Trade Account. Enter the login number and password from the email, then continue through the remaining prompts. Once you've completed the process and clicked OK, MetaTrader 5 should connect to your Vantage demo account. You'll know the connection is successful when the price quotes begin updating and your demo balance appears in the terminal window. Your MetaTrader 5 platform is now connected to your Vantage demo account, and you're ready to start exploring the platform and placing practice trades. Thank you for watching.